Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. It's Friday, which means, as usual, we have our man in the studio, Skhumba. Good morning, my brother.
Bro, Bobby.
Always.
You're looking snazzy. You're looking snazzy.
Really?
Yeah, man.
It's all clothes.
Yeah, it's all clothes. You know, when you just got married there, 7 days. 7 days ago, you got married. 3 days ago, you were
Why would you kiss? Why would you ram on a kiss?
No, the thing is, I'm going to machina ke la emadolweni. Amachino akhe emadolweni awangijablisanga because we can tell with ngathi sign FM ipaper like babazani bro bakubambile now. Pretoria bab.
I was robbed.
You're marked. Come on, really? 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 You want to take my Pesislatch City? Really? What did they take? Bro?
All I can say is I wish our government was as efficient as those boys. Quick. Desired results. They got there, took what they wanted, and they left.
And they started just, bro, hard boy. It's going to turn me. Hashtag Zimbabwe.
No, they took the camera bad. But that was it. I fought back for the phone, which I shouldn't have done. It's one of those instant
You fought
things.
back. We must call you. You fought back.
Don't mess with Shangan, bro.
Like, I'm talking about let's basic bump. I'm a pain. Hey, ndam pashkolo ba. Onganga izinjalo mina. Ni Bob Mabena mina. Nipotishela kosi Natal, ni Bob Mabena mina. Ngangena niphuma ngadlanga nix. Bro.
That's the experience.
Hide, bro. Ngibona ngathi sorry man.
You know, I wish for Pharrell to come here armed. Because, you know, I think of Pharrell, I think of Trevor Noah. You know, it's like one of those, I mean, the xenophobic attacks took the attention away from Trevor Noah. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it was bad. Yeah, this xenophobic attacks. Can I just address something, bro? Can you stop this thing now, man? Because we think we can live without these people. Really?
Yeah.
Do you think we can just take to France? I come to share stratulo jongo France. Yes, France ngaba ngekho ngabe sonke sihamba ngathi asikho right. Ngabe sihamba kanje. But because of France, snake hand. Sinamabonde makasi. Uba nonzi mthanga lekasi. Iliphi ipedo laziyo wena likwazi kwakhe. Ngikitha ushapla yona. Never. Siyafila apha thina amaXhosa. Ndibhizi. Abhizi amakhala mine.
Hayi sukhaya.
Hayi abantu bangaphandle basisiza bro Bob. Kunanyase kasilami igundini wena
Vagnido.
Yes,
yeah.
Vagnido. Akazi ukuthi ufede usho ukuthini.
Oh.
Like he doesn't know what fede means, but yamthanda. But his Skhumba ngithi hey Vagnido athi fede. Ngida fede kana hey bakanyala dliwa ne. Fede. Ngida fede kana yeah man hey nhlusha imfazi man akalala endlini. Fede. Yabona Vagnido mongathi fede futhi sizoxabana. Okay, sorry.
I cannot talk as Yatibisa.
Fede. Vagnido. Uthukile manje anazi nenze njani.
Well, you know what? We have a lot of good guys that are playing for my team, Sundowns. I mean, Cuthbert Malajila from Zim.
How?
You know what? Player of the month. Just couldn't score a few days ago.
Yeah, but we ukorile something. La wena South Africa benzana bokahloko moshiko. Empumulo ngathi uphethe ipiki. Yini? Uzonikhuluma ngofana mkwena. Nawe EFF yini?
No, please don't.
Engichaza uBrafani out yami. Mina bengithi wenze window shopping every time because Impumulo kafana mkwena ngathi wenze shopping, window shopping imlimazela sazomntwana lakathi. Ngiyawathanda lama plaza move. You could tell this guy was going to join in the FM. Yeah. Impumulo kafana ngathi bamshake ngamuru sakho. Xenophobic attacks aqala ngofana mkwena. Pressamo. Impumulo kafana mkwena. Ngathi head on collusion. Yeah. Yes, impumulo kafana. Have you seen impumulo kafana? I flat. Ngathi akana impumulo ikhona. Fanele ikholele. IFF fanele imnike imali nesasa imnike something. Udisable umuntu akibukele nje. Khopela soon. Kusunekang. Khopela soon. Ukhuluma ngathi phethe ama-tonsils nama-sinus. Ublocked, makuthiwa kunomuntu oblocked basho ufana mkhona laba Yo laba bashem oh isona hey impumulo yakhe flat makafinya ngathi upitches ipimple zo. And I mean serious ufana mkwana asa act jealous begithi ubhekele ngithi lakho manje why my ex is flat tail every time. Kanti ay flat tail ibhekile. Ngithazi ya. Awufana uyiphethe impumulo uyiphethe la baba liyana. Impumulo ngathi shaya izandla ngathi yes. Impumulo ka brafana. Ku-EFF but we need one disabled member. Fana yeah indleba yimi. Ngathi have you seen wafana mkwena he can't breathe. Like akaziphefumula.
I mean, it's Sundowns to get a 5-0 thrashing.
It was good.
How?
Money can't buy you goals. Nemal. I'm a player. It's Sundowns if I find a solo simple. I like solos.
Please explain. I can't wait.
It's Sundowns like in the end. Nikona Jerovan Con. Can you imagine? If I'm a player with solos manch. I relegate. Kabanga mga big na outable shoe, but we uzophuma la ijele isolos may win league. Yes, like on should be to the life sentence. Baba had go Oscar, yeah, when uzophuma la isolos. No, but no. Angamili nyawo Oscar la big.